How's Sparky?
Try to stay warm.
Yep. That's why everybody's dancing, right?
One's up front. Are you getting in here? Come on. Get in. Oh.
You better get my good side.
To explore the depths of darkness. These lands are filled with demons, devils, and creatures of the night who will rip the very flesh from your bones.
Here we go. They stuck some bodies in there. Woo! Yeah. I like how they
Oh, big one. This is all new.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh my.
Scare factor again.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. These vines are really cool.
Weird looking vine.
Oh, look at that head. Yes, this is their new. Oh, this is the new area. Oh my God.
Instagram, all the dents.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They built all this stuff too. Yeah! Oh my. What did you do there? I think it was a vampire. Oh no.
No, thank you.
Giant Dangerfiddle!
Slithery snake.
Oh shit! Yeah!
Oh, it's the Spideys. It's the Spideys.
Go!
Wow. Going right there.
I hear him running.
Oh, my.
Spidey, no!
The other one over there.
Here we
Somebody's
go!
looking. You see the eye?
Oh! You again! That was a good one! Wow!
Oh, it's a dragon.
Oh yeah! Look at this! I don't.
Flying overhead.
Oh, it's in there. Yeah! Look at that face! Woo!
Evil dragon. Fire me the dragon. Oh, Egyptian.
Wow!
My.
I think he's trying to get us again. Yeah! Don't look at her eyes!
Cerberus. Medusa. Come on. Oh, God. Come on. Tentacles. Do you feel like tentacles?
Ooh, it smells good in here. Yeah!
It's Cthulhu. Come on.
Oh, what is that?
Science.
It's like a giant eel gar thing.
Running water.
I didn't do it. Yes, you did. No, I didn't.
Oh, this guy up here. Oh, big snake.
Oh yeah. Dang,
More
what's that
snakes.
snake? Cute.
Oh, big one up there too. Catacomb.
Yeah. I like that.
Jump out rather fast.
I like that. That is crazy. Look at this.
And a big snake.
Big snake.
He's gonna chop our heads off.
Yeah. You got me last
Oh my.
time. I like that one.
For you. Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh, fallen bridge. Oh, God. Oh.
Yes. We do.
I can hear your heartbeat.
You can hear Nancy's.
Yep, yep.
Oh, this swamp. Yeah, you. That's Curtis. He just got me. Yeah, that one. Oh, hell no. No. Yeah. Woohoo.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh, going into the ice cave.
I know it's even cold in here.
Abominable Bushman.
Bushman.
It's an abominable Bushman.
It is.
There he goes. This guy.
Seriously?
No.
Oh!
You made it, Trevor guy. Oh God.
Shit! Oh, God. That
Ganging
guy.
up on us.
That one. Damn it. Double tap. Yeah. Here comes my more favorite
Don't
part.
forget to
Oh,
subscribe.
boy. Dude, this is one of my favorite rooms.
You can see the jack-lanterns moving. The whole room is moving.
You should let them out.
Yeah. He seems really upset about something.
He's having a fit. Get him, pumpkin.
Evil pumpkins.
I know. I love them. Oh, it's a pumpkin man.
Evil pumpkin man.
We could live here.
Where's my rat?
Whoa.
Where's my rat?
Oh, I
Where's
didn't.
my rat?
You ate
I
it.
didn't take him.
But I'm not eating them on your pay.
I didn't do it.
My favorite.
I just unlocked the cage. I didn't take the rat.
Get back if you don't want to.
Where's your rat?
1313.
Oh, yeah, we like that number.
They're staring at us.
Pictures?
Yep.
Yeah. All of them.
All of them.
They're staring at all. How do they do that? Oh, there he goes.
Oh my. Oh my. She's having a bad day.
Library, all the way up there.
Wow. See all the way to the second floor.
Please help me.
Oh, good night.
Please help me.
Well, I can't. They'll kill me. Like that music. Good night. I said a right word. That's the truth.
I think she's got the possession. Oh, you gotta look at the ceiling.
Woo!
Bloodbath. Oh God.
That is Woo! Somebody really stinks. It wasn't me. Oh God!
Nope, no pass. Nope.
They all have weapons.
We don't know which one's real.
I'm not telling.
Gotta watch out for him.
My.
Oh, that's
What in the world?
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh! Got me.
Look at all the dolls. Fuck
Up on the ceiling over there.
Lizzie doesn't like this room. I didn't like the spider room. She didn't like this one.
The box say kill mommy.
No. Get me the fuck out of here. No, I ain't playing with you. What the hell are you?
666. Oh, look at the box. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Woo! Mama's got junk in the trunk. Whoa! Ay. Look at that guy's rat. Oh!
Bar hanging down. Oh, God.
Restricted area!
Sorry. We're supposed to be
Oh,
here.
she's up there? I think they were up in the air. Were they? Oh!
Greenhouse. Man-eating plants.
We got everyone?
Under our feet. Oh, God.
Oh, this room is creepy.
Buttons are up on the ceiling. This can't be good. There. Ooh, the sound.
Ah, the greenhouse.
Oh, no, this is the greenhouse.
Honk. Ooh, horn blows. Aw.
Angry.
Fertilizer.
Spinach flytrap.
Fertilizer.
Oh, I see a red balloon. Anyways.
Ooh, they got this nice and funky today.
Yeah.
Echo.
Who wants to get out of there real bad? Oh, yeah. Beetlejuice.